Hey guys, what's up? Ellis here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a trance template, or any template in fact. It's a starting template for your tracks. It's something I use personally for my tracks, and don't worry, it doesn't mean that you're going to be a template producer or anything like that. It's just going to help you have all the things already set up, which generally take a few hours to set up when you're starting a new track. And personally, if you do a lot of tracks and you're working on a lot of music, it's a very useful thing to have. So I'm going to run through that today, and we're going to build up this template. And then what we'll do is we save the template. Anytime you start a new track, you can simply load up a template, save over it as your new track, and there you go. You've got all your sends set up, your buses, your returns, all your groups. I like to keep everything nice and organised, and Logic 10's got a great stack feature. And at the end of this template, which is from my loops by the way, you can be able to buy it if you want, or you can obviously just go through and make it yourself. Completely up to you. So let's start. Might end up adding more tracks, but for now we'll do 10 software. We'll probably end up doing more, to be honest with you. Audio, we'll do 10. Now I like to put audio in there as spaces, so you'll see what I mean. I just like to be neat and organised, and so for now we use audio.